What's up, guys?
What's up?
How are we doing today?
Good. Doing good.
What do we have here?
Jess, DJ,
What are we doing?
jumping out of the plane.
What are you doing?
Watching.
You're next, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
I'll be back.
Third time, huh?
No, it's on third time.
First time?
Yeah.
Any special reason for the skydive?
Just visiting. Yeah. Just visiting.
I'll take whatever excuse I can get.
My birthday's coming up. So
When's your birthday?
October 8th.
All right, well, happy early birthday. Ready to go see what it's all about again?
Yeah.
First time?
Ready?
High five. These are free. Oh. Yeah, guy, yeah. You guys ready? Round 3.
Good. Really good.
What was your favorite part this time?
Parachute.
Yeah. Pretty wild, huh?
Parachute, yeah.
So you ready to come out again? Next time we're gonna trade positions.
Yeah, I'm down.
You ready?
Yeah.
Can't wait for it.
Yeah.
Up top, happy birthday.
Thanks.
Yeah.